Welcome to 6 through 12 single baston or single stick strikes. So quickly, I'm going to go through 1 through 12, or 1 through 5. So here we go. 1, temple. 2, temple. 3, shoulder. 4, shoulder. 5, stomach. Now, we're going to keep the feet pretty much consistent with whichever hand we are striking with. So my right hand is striking on the right side and my right foot is forward. So we're going to now come into cat stance, which means 90% on this leg, about 5 to 10% on this leg, and keeping the body upright and stepping again forward into pyramid. We're poking at the shoulder with the tip of the stick. We come through with our foot coming back, poking. Now from here, we're not stepping. We're going to flip the hand over and strike down to the knee. So knee strike, step back, other knee, and then back to this same one. We're going to bring that cat stance back, and we're going to go eye poke and eye poke. And then from here, we're basically just letting, so you can see my arm is like I'm curling right now, and I'm going to let the stick drop and then come straight down into a strike. So that's number 12 on the top of the head. All right, here we go again. 6, shoulder. 7, shoulder. 8, knee. Coming around. 9, knee. Back to here. 10, eye poke. And eye poke from the other side, dropping the stick, and 12. Okay, so going through all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So what you want to do at this point, once you have all of those, is you want to work on your transitions and your flow of your footwork and your strike, so that you're not stepping then striking, that everything is in coordination with itself. Strike, strike, right? And that your footwork is natural, that it feels natural. You're quiet like a cat, okay? And then the last part is make sure you're breathing, keeping your nervous system relaxed while we're doing this. We want to associate, not fighting or violence, but associate training with calmness, with focus and intention. All right, great job, enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video.